Breaking news report regarding Tesla Fremont Factory. Tesla is increasing its delivery truck fleet by 50% in Fremont. Global Equities Research notes. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. The Tesmanian reports that Tesla is increasing its fleet of delivery trucks by 50% at its Fremont factory. Global Equities Research noted that the firm reaffirmed its buy rating for Tesla shares with a 2,300 price target. Before I go any further, I want to let you know that this is not an advice to buy shares. I am not a Tesla shareholder. I am not in stock market. This is just a news I report, and I will have the link, the reference in the description of this video so you can see it. So Tesla continues to actively increase production at its factories around the world. The Fremont factory has made the biggest contribution to date and recently celebrated the production of its 2 millionth vehicle. The significant increase in production was also seen by Global Equities Research analyst Trip Chowdhry, who visited the factory last week. In his August 10 notes, Chowdhry reaffirmed his 2,300 price target as activity in Fremont impressed him yet again. Based on his observation, and I stress, it is based on his own observations, the analyst noted that Tesla had increased its delivery truck fleet by about 50% and stressed that he was under the impression that every day during the quarter 2022, the manufacturer operates as if every day is a rush at the end of the quarter. Tesla's Fremont factory was the birthplace of Tesla cars, which launched the electric vehicle revolution. Throughout all these years, the responsibility for the growth of the company was given to the factory until Giga Shanghai opened in late 2019. The Fremont factory, even with the inefficient location of its manufacturing facilities left over from General Motors and Toyota, has been a great success and celebrated another milestone in June. The factory achieved its highest daily productivity ever. Now, I'm not surprised that this report came true, because a couple of days ago, and we learned actually yesterday, we learned that per new survey, Tesla's delivery times, the demand cars for Tesla cars in the United States is through the roof. And like I said in my previous report, Elon Musk tweeted and said, we know that the long wait times are not a good thing, and Tesla is doing everything it can do to improve the delivery times and the wait times, and that Tesla Giga Shanghai has already made great significant improvements, as I showed in my previous report, because Troy Tesla Twitter posted the results of a survey of Tesla customers in the United States who have already received a delivery of their vehicles to find out how long they had to wait for an order. This perfectly demonstrated that waiting time was increasing despite capacity expansion at existing factories and new ones being put into operation. The data could be the basis for making sure that Tesla's customer base continues to grow at an incredible rate, which is very positive both for the company itself and for the environment. The massive shift in consumer interest from gas cars to electric ones is exactly what Tesla has been aiming for from the very beginning. Now, since Elon Musk said, we know that this is not a good time, and we're making efforts to cut the delivery times for Tesla vehicles. No wonder Tesla is producing more cars at Gigafactory Fremont, and they are adding more trucks to shorten the wait time. Right now, the wait times in the United States, in case of Model Y, customers who received delivery in quarter 2 2022 waiting an average of 175 days, which equates to almost 6 months from the time the order was placed. This is almost 4 times longer than the quarter 2 2021, when customers received delivery an average of 46 days after placing an order. The situation with Model 3 is slightly better, but still the numbers are record high. Customers who received the delivery in quarter 2 2022 waited an average of 89 days, that's 3 months, for their order to be filled. In quarter 2 2021, the waiting time was 50 days, and 2020 it was only 31 days. So are you surprised that Tesla is adding more delivery truck fleet by 50%, increasing it to increase its delivery? I'm not surprised, because Elon Musk himself said that Tesla will need to do this in order does everything, makes an effort to increase its deliveries and shorten the wait time. So what do you think about this increasing its fleet of delivery at Fremont by 50%? I mean, Tesla is increasing its fleet of delivery trucks by 50%. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next report. If you found this report helpful and informative, please like it. And we appreciate it. Give us thumbs up and share in social media. Have a great day.